In this lecture, we'll discuss the informed search kind of strategies that can be discussed or undertaken by the AI agent. Informed search are also known as heuristic search, and these search strategies are very much important when an AI agent needs to check the environment around himself. Earlier in the last lecture, we had discussed the uninformed kind of search techniques. In those techniques, the AI agent is not bothered about the environment, but is only responsible for his actions. But in the case of informed search, he'll also need to understand the environment around. And in the case of informed search, it's a strategy which uses problem-specific knowledge and beyond the problem definition itself. In the case of informed search techniques, the basic algorithm will remain the same. That is this first search, which a node is selected for expansion, and then we'll go to the next node at the next level. Then what is the difference between this and the uninformed search? Let's discuss. In the case of breadth first search algorithms, in informed strategies, each function, we can define some functions. Let's say first such function is HN, that is known as a heuristic function. HN indicates estimated cost of the cheapest path from node N to a goal. Because in this case, as I told, in the case of trees, the first root node can be defined as the initial state. Leaf nodes are your final destination nodes, and the nodes which are in between are your intermediate nodes. So when you go from one node N, the current node, to the goal node, the cost there is the HN. For example, in route planning, when you are at a particular location and you want to go to the next location, you are supposed to plan the route. And when you are planning the route, you will obviously check that what is the cost required if I follow a particular path. And you will definitely follow the path which is having the lowest cost. So we have to check the cost of the path also. In this case, we'll define three functions: Gn, Hn, and Fn. Now what's Gn? Gn is the cost from the initial state to the current state. Initial state means from the root node to the first intermediate node. That cost will be termed as Gn. Then next heuristic will be Hn, that is the cost of the cheapest path from a particular node n, that is the current node, intermediate node to the next goal. That is termed as Hn. And then there is a function which is known as Fn. That is the evaluation function to select the node for expansion. That means which node should be selected next, and that is denoted by the expression Fn. So, in greedy best first search algorithm, we'll try to expand the node which is closest to the goal node, because we have to finally reach the goal, and will lead to a solution successfully and quickly if the function Fn is equivalent to Hn. That is the greedy search. We want to have a low cost solution, and we want to reach the end as immediately as possible. So when implementation is done, we'll expand the most desirable node, and we'll consider something called the cost function. In this case, let's say if I'm going to design a route, I can take SLD. SLD is the straight line distance. I can check and use the straight line distance between the two nodes to estimate the cost of the. Let's take an example so that it can become more clear. Let's say we want to search a route. Let's say I want to go from Arad to some other location, let's say Freiras, or let's say something Bucharest. Then what I will check, how should I start? Like from Arad, there can so many possibilities which are there. From Arad, I can go to Zaranj, I can go to Timisoara, or I can to Sibiu. But which should I take if I need to reach Freiras? Obviously, I cannot make the decision without understanding my goal, because this will lead to another direction, this will lead to another, and Timisoara will lead me to the other direction. So while keeping in mind my goal, I have to check which out of these three would be suitable for me. So let's understand the example in detail. For example, I have to check that the total SLD, that is my heuristic cost, that is shortest line distance for Arad will be 366. Take in this example, I have to check the distance from the source till the destination. I will add the distance and then I will check that which of the possible solutions will give me the lowest value for my final distance. Let's say I'll start from Arad. And from Arad, I can have various solutions. Like I said, we can go to Sibiu, we can go to Timisoara, or we can go to Zab. Right? But out of these, we have selected Sibiu because the destination, the goal is, let's say, Fagaras. So when we have to select that which way should I take from Sibiu, out of these three, again from Sibiu, I can go back to Arad itself. So that is the cost. Or I can go to Fagares with 176, I go to Audrey with 380, and I go to Rimicu with 193. Out of these, Fagares is the least cost path, so I will take this path. So then, let's say if my goal is Bucharest and I'm currently at Fagares, then what should be the possible strategy? From Fagares, I can go to back to the Sibiu, or I can go to Bucharest. But obviously, I don't want to go back, but I want to go to Bucharest. And Bucharest is my goal node. So hence, I will take this path. So hence, we can find solution through greedy best first search. Now, if I have to compare my solution with the other algorithms, I have to check in terms of the completeness, the time, the space, and whether the optimal solution is reached or not. If I check about the completeness, it may be possible that my greedy best first search may not give me a complete solution because it can get stuck in loops. Maybe it is bouncing back and forth among the same cities again and again. But OBM, if you check, the time complexity of breadth first search for greedy best is good. Not much time is taken to find the solution. Same in the case of space, it is also good. Both the time and space complexity are similar to your depth first search. And whether it provides you an optimal solution, the answer is no, because a lot of solutions are possible and depend upon your situation, the requirement, the possibility of optimal solution may change. Next search algorithm, heuristic algorithm is A-star search. It is the most widely known algorithm of best first search. The first variant we have discussed, that is greedy first. This is the second variant. In this, our aim in A first search is that we will consider both the cost, that is Gn, as well as the Hn to calculate the final cost Fn. In the case of greedy algorithms, we have considered only Hn as the parameter, and we have always taken the decision based on that parameter. But in the case of A-star search, we will also add the another cost, that is Gn. So what are these two? Gn is the cost so far to reach a particular node n, and Hn is the cost from that n to the goal. So we are now calculating the end-to-end cost by adding Gn as well as the Hn to find the final cost, that is Fn. That is why this algorithm is better, because in the last algorithm we are not adding the previous efforts, but here we are adding the previous efforts as well as the next effort. Let's take the same example. In the earlier example also we have considered the straight line distance. In this also we have considered the straight line distances. Let's say for Arad, the first effort which is required in terms of cost is 360. So we have added that also to find the final thing. And there is, because we have, this is the starting point, no additional cost is required. So it becomes 0 plus 360. When you have moved from Arad to Sibiu, now we will not only consider the distance between Arad to Sibiu, but we will also add the effort required to reach the Arad. That is why here, instead of writing just the value for CPU, we will also add the effort required from Arad to reach CPU. So we will add that distance also. So it becomes 393. You can check from the chart about the values, CPU and error. Here it is, CPU and error. And you will also add this particular distance, that is 140. So it becomes 140 plus 253. It will give you 393. Then again, when we move from CPU to, let's say, Phragarus or Remicular, wherever you have to go ahead, you will add the cost which is required to reach that goal plus the cost which is required to travel from CPU to Remicular. Hence, you will add both the cost and you will get the total cost. And in this way, you can follow the A star search algorithm. Again, for Phragarus, if you need to conclude, again, you will add both of the values. Let's say if you want to go to some other move, like from Remicu to other things like Graviora, Pitesi and CPU, you can also go. Then again, you will need to add both the elements and then you will finally calculate this particular graph. So let's say if you want to calculate the effort required to went to Pitesi, you will add all the other things plus the last node evaluation. Same for Bucharest, and hence by comparing the different kind of things, like here you have seen that if you go to Bucharest via Phragarus, the final value is 450. But if you go to Bucharest via this route of Sibiu, Remicu, Valencia, Pitesi, and then Bucharest, the final value is 4180. So hence you can make your decision based on the lowest cost value and the path. So if we check that how to compare now A star search algorithm as compared to the other algorithms, whether it will give you the right decision, the right path. If we talk about completeness, yes, it will give you a complete solution. It will not again go into the looping, but it will provide you a final solution. Time taken will be, in the case of A star search, it's better and best if the H is perfect. But in worst case, it could be same as that of the breadth-first search. The space required is, you can say sometimes we need to get repetition, we need to keep all the nodes in the memory, so the space requirement is more. But yes, it's an optimal solution, although the time and space requirements are more, but the solution will be complete and optimal. So this lecture, we have discussed two main heuristic algorithms, that is greedy first search and A star search for informed strategies to be used by AI agents. Thanks.